as you know, I'm Rashmi Agarwal and this video of mine is totally dedicated to the makeup primer. So I will be showing you how to make a makeup primer, why to use a makeup primer and all that good stuff. Basically, kab kyun kaise types, and I will also be telling you how to make makeup primer at home. Plus I will be giving you suggestions which are available in the market also. So without any further ado, let's get directly into the video. So please be with me till the end because there's a huge surprise for you guys. Things which come first on our mind is what is a makeup primer. We often forgot to use this product, but it is really very beneficial to use. And coming to the part, what is it? It is nothing but a lotion which we use after a moisturizer and before applying foundation. To the benefit part of it, so we use it because we want to create a layer between our skin and the base which we are applying, or the what we call that, or the foundation which we are applying. So because foundation contains a lot of chemicals, we want to protect our skin from that. And the second benefit of it is it really helps to our makeup to glide onto our face, and plus our pores, make our makeup sweat proof and also make it durable. So now we'll learn how to make a primer at home. I'll tell you not one, not two, but 3 techniques by which you can make your own primer at home. Ingredients which we will need for our first method is some water and almond oil, and also my favorite, aloe vera gel. And of course you can use all these products of any brand you feel like. In method, we will be needing a sunscreen, a moisturizer and a baby powder. Third method, we will be using glycerin. It is edible glycerin which I am using, and of course aloe vera gel. And the third product is, okay, where is it go? Okay, gulab jal. These are the simple methods by which you can prepare your primer at home. Now coming to the part, to the market part. If you want to buy your primer from the market, so the top 5 primers available in India is NYX Studio Perfect Face Loving Primer, and the second best primer which I found is L'Oreal Paris Base Magique. It is a very like, I don't have words for it. It is a very nice product and it costs around 900 INR. The third which I found the best is Natio Ageless Illuminating Face Primer, and it is priced at 1000 rupees. And the fourth one is Bourjois Flower Perfection Translucent Smoothing Primer. It is in powder form. The earlier which I showed you is in the gel form, and it is priced at 700 INR. And the fourth one is Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. I have not used it yet, so I can't recommend you that, but it is priced at 750 rupees. The fifth primer in the top list is the Revlon Photo Ready Perfecting Face Primer, and it is priced at 1300 INR. So as you have noticed that how costly these primers are, so if you want to buy, it's really nice, you can afford it, so it's really good. But the methods I showed you also works really nice. Nice part, I have a huge surprise for you guys, and as you can see, we reached 200 plus subscribers will be within a week, within a month, and it's a really like, I'm so happy. We are a family of 200 peoples, and I'm so happy. I planned a giveaway for you guys as my one of my video of online shopping haul. I mentioned 2 products, that is a hair straightener and makeup brushes, which I absolutely loved, and I bought it for you guys also. So if you want to win this giveaway, there are only 4 rules which you have to follow. First, like this video, and the second one is you have to be a subscriber of my channel, and the third thing is you have to comment below that you are entering into the giveaway, and the fourth thing is share my video. It's that easy. And this giveaway I will be giving to 3 persons, and also since I started my channel, I have not done even a single video in which I'm interacting with you guys personally, so I'm planning for one. So write down in the comment below what questions, what answers you want me from guys for today. Don't forget to enter into the giveaway. I will also be mentioning all the rules in the description box. So like, share and subscribe and enter into the giveaway.